This is the second video for the My Missions Google Map project and Miss Yoshioka's class. She was nice enough to start you guys off with a model for Old Mission San Juan Batista and show you what she wants you guys to do. There's an icon pin already in here, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. When I click on this, it shows what she wants. She'd like to have 3 images embedded in your pin. She'd like a paragraph written underneath, giving the mission name, when it was founded, the number mission it is, and then 3 facts about that mission. You should also include who discovered this mission. But now there are a couple of things you can do, and I'm going to tweak and make some changes to what she's done, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to find your own missions and add them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the left in the box where it says Untitled Layer. Since we have missions that have been discovered by different people, you can actually change the title of the layer to whoever it was that discovered the mission. Since I don't remember off the top of my head, I'm going to say SpongeBob SquarePants discovered this mission. And now I'm going to load all the missions that were discovered by SpongeBob SquarePants under this. If I need to make another layer, I'm going to click Add Layer, and I'm going to title this one. And for this one, I'll actually give you someone that actually did find some of the missions. It's Father Juniper, Junipero, Sierra. We're going to save it. So now I have a place to load maps specifically for him. So I'm going to come back up here. We're going to finish messing around with the first pin. So I'm going to come here. The red pin is a default from Google Maps, but there's an ability to add a lot of different things. So if we click on the paint bucket, it changes the style of the pen. You can just change the color if that's something you'd like to do. You could just change the shape and again the color. And you can also change it to more icons. So if you click more icons, there's a long list of things that you can pick from. And you should find something that's appropriate for what we're doing. And we're doing a mission, so you probably want to find a building that looks somewhat mission-like. Here's one. So I'm going to click on this, hit OK, and as you can see down below, the mission icon has changed from the red pin to an icon. A couple other things that you need to do. You're going to need to add those 3 images. If you click on the camera, it gives you the opportunity to add images. It also gives you the opportunity, if you are so inclined, to find an appropriate video, and you can embed that as well. So Google search an image. If you've already Google searched images and you have them on your drive or you have the URL, you can use that. You can YouTube search or YouTube URL, again, if you've already found a video that you find appropriate. And just embed it in there, and it drops in. If you'd like to edit or write, you're going to click on the pencil, and again, you can edit. If I hit return, though, it automatically ends my session. So if I want to change and have a paragraph, I need to hit the space bar and hold it down until I get to the next line if I want a break. Otherwise, it's going to write as one thing, and again, I hit return, it closes it like I'm done. You might not want the details that are already in here from Google Map, and this is the actual address, and you can use it for maps and things like that. If you don't want that, just click remove, and it will take that out of there, and it'll just be the information that you are providing. So I'm going to click this, close it down, and again, all you have to do to see that information is click the icon. But you guys are going to need to find your own missions because you can't all do San Juan Batista. So you need to have the address, and you need to put it up into the search engine. I'm just going to look for Mission Santa Clara, and here is Mission Santa Clara. But I'm going to say be careful, make sure you have the appropriate address. If you just type Mission San Jose, you might not get the one you're looking for. So make sure you have the proper address. But I'm going to go backwards. Mission Santa Clara. I'm going to click on it. Now it's dropped something in Mission Santa Clara. This pin is not in my map right now. In order for this to be in my map, I need to click Add to Map. This now exists on my map. As you can see, it's right here. And now I can go to editing. I can add pictures, write, change the icon, any of those things. So we're going to stop this video there, and you guys should be able to get to work.